Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be extending my nails again using paper dual forms and dip powders, and I will be doing a green marble nail set, so I'm just going to be using one color in different shades. I did apply my peel off base coat off camera. On the index nail, I'm applying my dip powder base coat to the tip area of my natural nail and the dual form. Then I'm using my ProDip clear dip powder and sprinkling it on the nail to create my nail tip. I did a few layers of that and I gradually reached the cuticle area with each layer I applied. Then I'm applying activator to harden the nail. I did the same for the pinky nail. Now I'm using Lush from Revel Nail on the index nail, and I did a few layers of that to build up the nail. So these are all of the nails completed with the Lush Dip Powder, and I did not apply activator to the green area yet, but I did apply it when I did the clear foundation at the start. So that is why I can remove all of the dual forms and the nail wouldn't fall apart. So I'm just going ahead to remove the dual forms right now. Now in a tray, I'm using the Lush Dip Powder. And Flannel Dip Powder from Revel Nail. And I'm swirling the dip powders to get the marble effect. Next, I am applying the powder base to the middle nail, and then I laid my finger in the marble mixture. I did the same for the ring nail and the thumbnail. Then I applied activator to harden the marble nails because I am going to be encapsulating those nails with IBD Hard Gel. I am using some gold nail foils on the nails, so I'm just separating them into smaller pieces. And I'm using this green glitter on the nails as well. So now I apply base coat. This is the base coat I have to cure in a lamp, so I apply it to the middle nail. Then I applied the green glitter to the cuticle area and the tip area of the middle nail, and then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. I did the same for the ring nail and thumbnail. Then I applied base coat again and stuck some gold foils on the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Next, I applied base coat to seal in the glitters and the foils and cured again for 30 seconds. I'm using IBD Hard Gel to encapsulate the middle, ring and thumbnail, and I cured each nail for 30 seconds. Then I'm using rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer. On the index and pinky nail, I'm applying activator to harden the nails. And then I began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and I went too hard with the filing. I filed off some of the green glitter, so I had to do some patchwork. I applied base coat and then stuck some of the green glitter to hide it, and then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. I had to do the same for the ring nail as well. Now I'm just going to top coat all of the nails, and then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So this is a finished look. Let me know what you think about this nail design in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys.